Good morning. Welcome to the 5th episode of Mr. Roy Makes. Today we are making scones. This is a family recipe. In my family we call them cheese muffins, but they're actually scones. Scones are a typically British kind of meal. They're a little piece of dough, cooked dough, that you serve with tea. You can have salty scones like we're going to do today, or some of them are really bland or sweet, and you can add strawberry jam, for example. Strawberries, not raspberries.
Alfred, would you be a dear and get me a cup of tea, please?
Of course, my love. Should I bring crumpets too?
Crumpets? Of course not. I prefer scones. Who in their right mind would have tea without a scone?
Right. I'll be right back. First step, before I show you the ingredients we need today, I think we should start the oven. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure that yes, it's in the middle. Excellent. The rack is in the middle. Let's look at the ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The recipe asks for 2/3 of a cup of strong grated cheese, but we're using 1 cup because we really like cheese, and we decided to add a tablespoon of grated Parmesan or Parmigiano Reggiano. You need 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, an egg, and they say 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, but we don't have any, and I don't want to go to the grocery store just for that because I need to stay home, so we decided to use real garlic. First thing we need to do is to mix the flour, the baking powder, and the salt together. These 3, I suggest you mix them very well, otherwise it makes little specks of baking powder inside your muffin and they taste really bitter. So don't hesitate, really mix it well. Once you're satisfied with the result, into the dry flour, you put the cheese. Don't want to waste any cheese. Mix it with the flour. I was really surprised to learn that you need to do that. If you're missing your family during these times, why don't you ask them for a recipe and have a little taste of home in your house? That is done. In another bowl, we need to beat that egg. Let's prepare that.
Where do these eggs come from?
They come from my parents' place. You can see that this egg is actually alive. When you get eggs from the grocery store, there's no life in them, and they're really pale. These ones, they're really good. All right. The butter. I like butter, so I'm going to let it to the very last drop. And the milk. Mix that together. Right. This last preparation, mix it into the first one. The recipe doesn't say when to add the garlic, but I'm not gonna add it after it's cooked, so let's put it in there right now. Mix that in. Oven's up to temp. Woo. This is, yep, that's something. It's a good thing I made mussels with the shaker yesterday. You know what? Wash your hands again. I don't exactly know how my mother does the portions for this, so I just thought I'd take 2 big tablespoons, make a ball out of that, and drop that onto a baking sheet. I'm just gonna continue until there's no more dough left. Sticky, sticky. Hey everybody, looks like we found another way. Ice cream spoon. Better portions. So there you have it, 20 individual portions. The oven is up to temp, so it's time to put them inside. Ooh, don't burn your face. Yeah, I can hear you. But Mr. Roy, you did not tell us for how long we need to cook them. Well, let me show you. Let's start with 20 minutes. And if it's not enough, then we'll roll it back another 5 for a total amount of 25. There we go. Okay. Time to take them out. Don't burn your face. Look at these golden pieces of heaven. Oh. Okay, so we need to let them cool down for a while, but it's gonna be a real torture to have to wait. I remember when I was a kid, these would disappear at an alarming rate. They're really good, and it's good memories, and I'm very, very happy. As you requested, my love, tea and scones.
Thank you, my dear.
Smash it.
Delicious.
Quite.
By the way, did you send a letter to our friend Claire, who sent us the tea from Manchester?
I have not, but I'm pretty sure the message will reach her anyway. If you need milk for bones, for your tea you need scones. You'll crave their taste all night, they'll make you feel so right. A style you've never seen, you'll feel just like the queen. If you need milk for bones, for your soul you need scones. So that's it for us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll try the recipe, and I hope you enjoyed the song. I know I did. Try these. Really try these, and have a good one. Stay safe. Makes